Hello everybody and welcome back in the channel. In today's video, I'm really happy to announce the second annual YouTube Live Wildlife Photography competition by Jeremy, owner of Bird Burger channel. In the second annual Bird Burger Award, you will be able to win cash prizes with $4,500 prizes and $1,000 as a grand prize. The competition will be judged live on YouTube during the awards ceremony on 10th September. The submission open is expected on 29th July at 9 AM, whereas the submission close is expected on 26th August at 11:59 PM. The live review and awards ceremony is expected on 9th September, where will also be popular vote taking place during the awards ceremony, in which people will be able to vote their favorite photographers. Anyway, in the description below you will find the link for the competition, where you will be able to read the rules competition as well, and everything you need to know. By the way, the competition will be divided in 4 categories: portrait, birdscape, creative and new photographer. The portrait category focuses on animal details and is open to all wildlife subjects. The birdscape category focuses not only on capturing a beautiful image of the bird, but also on the relationship between the bird and the environment. This category is open to only wild bird subjects. The creative category focuses on using unique photo capture techniques and creative photo editing techniques to stand out your subjects. The new photographer category is for who has been doing wildlife photography 2 years or less. The category is open to all wild animal subjects. So what are you waiting for? For sure, I'm going to participate. So let's go to check out the website, and good luck to everybody. See you soon. Bye bye.